On 20th of December, Rensing Bay, ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, called for a press conference at Kheroni Farm IB, where Karbi Anglong over the autonomy of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with regards to an MOU signed in the year 1995. Rensing Bay, ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while briefing the media, said all the powers and autonomy of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had been included in the 1995 MOU. Interestingly, all the provisions made under the MOU is not properly implemented, hence indirectly making an encroachment in the executive powers of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by the state government. Therefore, Rensing Bay, ex-executive member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, registered an PIL case number 70/2022 against it at the Guwahati High Court, as this is illegal and violations of the Indian Constitution. Rensing Bay also informed that a so-called notice had already been notified to the state and central government from Guwahati High Court to restore the executive powers and autonomy as per the agreement cited in MOU. Guwahati High Court summoned state and the central government on 19 January 2023.
1971 চনত অসম চৰকাৰে এখন অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম উলিয়াইছিলে য'ত কিছু পৰিমাণৰ এক্সিকিউটিভ পাৱাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলক প্ৰদান কৰিছিল। সেইটো পৰ্যাপ্ত নহয় বুলি 1979 চনত পুনৰ আৰু এখন অফিচ মেমৰেণ্ডাম উলিয়ালে, যাৰ জৰিয়তে এক্সিকিউটিভ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ পৰ্যায়ৰ যিখিনি আঁচনি আছে, যিখিনি কাম কাজ আছে, সেইবিলাক ৰূপায়ণ কৰাৰ অধিকাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলক প্ৰদান কৰিছিল।
Mohan Teron's report from Kheroni for Karbi Anglong Live.